Ining Jo Acholi, man Chaka Leb Acholi, and Jacqueline Ikango Court, and man segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. Um, so tonight I was going to read uh, Do Me a Bichel, I believe it was, or Do Me a Bira. Do Me a Bichel, look me gina, tira, ge labong ge perke. Lakin, I know some bad news today from my sister about family member twa. Itumpa mom para mi abo, dad para mi subclan mi patanga mi pajok. So I wanted to rush and skip over look me ganane tira ngabera kakwana before. So I want to skip over look me tira ge gana labunga for tonight. I made a rush kakwana information about Obbo. Obbo is one of the clans of Acholi of South Sudan or Sudan at the time. Okay, so I'm skipping and I'm going all the way to Dulmi Abongwan. Dulmi Abongwan covers Obbo. Okay, La George is also from the clan of Obbo. Nidi Acholi mi South Sudan. Saturnino Nyala mi Obbo. So I don't have a lot of time. I want to cover as much as I can tonight, maybe for 20 minutes. Maybe I'll pop back on and try to read as much as I can about a ball. Maybe I'm going to try my best to finish talking about a ball tonight or by tomorrow morning. I want to have a discussion with a family member to discuss a ball again. Since I heard this news, I want to get some more information about a ball. A ball is where my mom is from. And it's very important for me to get more information, not only from this book, but also from the family member that I am worried about or I'm concerned about from Obbo. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so look me Obbo, like Georgia Choning on it, subsection me is titled Gang me Obbo. Okay, so like Georgia Choning on it. Obbo aye nyingang ma omio bodano matie kwa ni Chaka ge ayaji nyo wede we wa e likari wala lichari. I don't know how to say that word likari. Ka ni Chaka ke e nyara o nyara. Kama jo Iyere, I'm going to be butchering some of these names because I know Obbo, Nying Moho Pat Gay Bot Jo Choli Mokene Chalo Jo Mi Pajok, Nyingi Dogo Bero Chalo Tuko or mixed with something else. So it's a little bit tough since what biri Pajok, what biri the born around about people. We didn't get too much information about Obbo from mom to her. Family members better. So I might be saying some of these names wrong or Nying Uri Gini Maraj, Nying Gangi Moga Maraj. So please drop your comment to correct me, okay? King Neo Kini Wajane. Kama jo Iare Ogero Ie Nyo Kwere wa Kama Yam Itingo we Ogero. Yeah, I have no idea what is being said here because these are Udi from Obbo, okay, Greenland. Ngom mi Obbo gi pajok pire tek totwal itekwaro pa chuli mi Sudan. Kid madano mukene ma obino gi waho dongo donyo kan magin ochako tekwaro pa luo. Dano dujo bedo gi yom twin mi neno ni. Dano ma obino gi loka gin odonyo ikin wegi ngom labong lueny. Lukman bene totual pa agamente mi Sudan owacho wa I kachoke ma obedo imwaka apar bongwangi pier ariyo wi aboro I Juba magiluongo Reserve Language Conference. Odiro pagamente onongo ni kwo maber ma jo bok gi pajok tie kwede rom aroma gi kwo maber ma jo zande ma tie tung poroching mi Southern Sudan gin tie kwede. Dano mapol ma a gi wako obedo kadonyo I kind dano mi Obbo. Pajok gi zande pibe bedo ma gin tie kwede. Dano matin tie I gang mi Obbo gin duju peluo ento gin duju dong logo Leb Acholi. Te kwar pa Obbo wajoni dano mapol matie tin idi Obbo gino bino gi kabedo maparapat kidman. So excuse me, God, I butchered some of these names, okay? Tarangori, Imala, or Katire, or Katir, Ifwotu, Emorok, Anywak, Koloba, or Panyikwara, Loudo, which is in Torit, Bar Tingiri, Lango, Uganda, Bilinying, or Bar, Bilinyang, which is Bar, Lokoro, Dupa Deer, which is Dinka, Karamoro, Ge Nyarubanga, which is also Joba. Okay. Ngom Obbo tiep mapat ki ngom ki kom ngom pad ki kom ngom matie Panyikwara, Pajok, Magui, Palwa, Omeo, Agoro, gi Afrika, Pien, Kodimo keken check ingom man. Kaping maudok yo tung nyango, better dok got ma gilungo gileb monone, loti ranges. Kai Lomorati or Talanga, lum odongo wa futi abichel kolo. Kidma wabineno ibukman dano duju matin tie ingom Obbo gin duju obino ge waha. Te kwaro pa chuli bene wachuni wa wegi gang bene obino ge waha. So they're saying all of Obbo came from outside into this territory today. Jo Obbo wengi bino ge chin, okay? Kari bete kwarpa Obbo wajo ni jo koyo ki kitaka gin wegi ngom kin ma wabineno bene I bukman dano ma obino gi Obbo wala obino I Obbo gin duju odonyo ngom man mwaka maparapat. Mapori pe waneno do udi maparapat mati gang Obbo amiro mokwongo wagam penya chiel ni Obbo tien lok ango. I think paracho. Lodiro mi Obbo mukena wajuni. Obbo tien lok ne. Dano ma obino gi lobo ma waka. Nying matin walungo ni Obbo ni obino gi leb lotugo ma loke lobo. Matien lok ni obino gi chien. Okay, my battery's dying. I might have to rejoin my live. Let's see how fast I can read these 2 chapters, or 2 pages. Okay. Kalo dir mo kene kono wachoni Obbo tien lok ni dano ma ugeno kore. Nying man obino pi lueny matek ma jo Obbo obedo kalwenyo I kom wi gangi ma parapat. Wi gangi ma jo bo lwenyo ikomgi obero pa jok ma gwi o palimu agoro omeo gi panyikwara. Jo panyikwara ne luongi ni pakala gi paja. Okay? Man nyuru bodwani dana mi obo omar lweny tetwal pien gin ogeno korgi. Okay? Lodira Acholi wacho ni dano ma jo obo pe olwenyo kwedgi ikina Acholi mi Sudan obero jo palwa keken. So bogi lunyi dano weng except for palwa. Lodira Acholi wacho ni dano mi obo pe olwenyo ikom Acholi mi Sudan keken. Ento gin bene olwenyo ikom dano mi eyere imorok gi lokoro. Okay? Ka podi gi bene tie lodira mokene ma wacho ni loko bo o a gi ikom lobona ma tien lok ni mo eno. Chon gi chon ngom man matin waluongo ni ngom obo onongo obedo ngom pa koyo. Ngom koyo dogo ngom obo imwaka 117. Ma jo abong odonyo kwede i ngom man. Nen chalo jo abong ma ochako luongo ngom koyo ni ngom obo ikar ma ruoth Katula okwanyo ke gi bod ruoth omini mi kitaka o ruoth koyo. Emayi won Katola pe omako ke pien endong onongo oti. Okay? If I get cut off, I need to charge my laptop. I will start back on again from where I got cut off, okay? So Dwan wacho ni ikare ma chon wil dana mi obo duong loyo wil pa Acholi mokene. Ento pilog mi lweny mapol ma gino bedo ka lweny onyo lwenyo ne ikom dano mokene. Ada ento pilog mi lweny mapol ma gino bedo ka lweny ikom dano mokene. Oh, sorry, I went back. Ada owero will pa dano mi obo odok piny because they were fighting, they lost a lot of people, okay? Pien dano mapol oto ilweny mon cho gi Latino mi nyuru bo dano ma woko ni jo obo onongo tie mapol gin oporo komgi gi polo pien liech akara Johnny pele Kwan. I know I'm reading this as English. I need to say it in the way they say it. Polo pien liech akara Johnny pele Kwan. Okay? Piman Latino bo mo keken ka ochobo le idwa en mojo gi dwan mi wake ni ma ye pele Kwan akara jenye pien liech polo ye ochamo kuon gi ngu. Latin. I don't know if I've heard this before. If you heard this much before pa obo drop your comments, okay? Log mi chamo kuon gi ngu Latin kono ochako ni ning. Tie nino mo achiel ruoth aburi mi obo chiro kalimo ruoth Haidie won Kanuto mil imorok. Ikar ma eno donyo idid kal pa ruoth mi imorok luak ojolo en mabe ka gino miyo bore pi ki ka bedo. Pieni chik pa dana mi imorok ka welo mo bino bod ruoth en pe chiro chut bore. Luak kong miyo bore ka bedo gi pi ka inge de giga manok ma welo maro yamo gin chwalo la kwena chiel bod ruoth ma en kun wacho kwede bode ne ruoth tie dano mo miro neno in ruoth aye ma miyo twero ni weg welo man obin yo podi oko manok. Okay? Ikare mar ruoth aburi dong omaro yamo manok ng'ara chiel mo ma obedo la kwena par ruoth ochiro wacho bod ruoth ni ruoth aburi mi Obbo bino tie woko en miro neno in ruoth hadie odong owacho gi la kwena mere ni te bore kuon la bongo dek ka imaki latina nyaka matidi matie munero yap ngu mere tun excuse me tune weg ruoth aburi ochwiny gi kuon maka wang dek man mamiero omi bore. Oh my God, this is too much information. We'll drop your comments. So when Road Aburi of Obbo or Jiro Kaneda Road me Imara, the customers first you tell the chief that somebody's coming to see you and the chief has to give direction as to where the Gimirana right away. So they're saying the chief of Emirok said, give him corn or fufu to eat and where cham la bong dek mamiro cham miro twin the front of a young girl called cham munu dek pere. Okay, they want him to eat. Okay, they want him to use the fufu and dip it into the front private part of a young girl and eat it before he goes and sees the chief of Emirok. Okay, that was the answer of the chief of Emirok. Wow, mind blowing. Okay. Um, okay. Dang. La kwena mao kwanyo kuon kao mako latina nyaka matiri matie munero Um, I guess I'm still alive. Sorry, guys. Uh, my phone and my laptop died while I was reading. Okay. Gonna continue reading. um, so I don't know if you guys were following along. Well, I've been on the couch. So basically, I'm reading about a ball now because I want to get out the information about a ball. There's a lot about a ball that I don't know, that my siblings and I do not know because our mom, when she was alive, of course, she didn't share as much with us. You know, that's another one of the issues we have with living abroad. Your parents don't have time to talk to you or teach you about your culture and stuff like that, really, or tell you about their past, their history, um, and where they come from. So we don't know much about Obbo. We know our mom is from Obbo, but we don't know much about Obbo. Okay. So I wanted to jump ahead and read, like I said in the beginning, because we got some news about a family member from Obbo um, that is not doing too well on my mother's side. So before I say anything else, I wanted to hurry up and read about Obbo and share with you guys, and then hopefully I'll get some time to talk to him and things we never got a chance to do and catch up. This is also a reason why Woon Kungeo ni Utiki family kamo Uti kamabo will Uti chop will. There's issues between Woon. Don't let it wait when it's too late. Woon child look ready chon chon. God, there's any issues, we'll hash it out. Ask for forgiveness. Um, talk to your family. See each other, join or have dinner, or whatever. Chindan each other. Ang mo wile. Koko kono gima marati ati menyo kono big event mo di actually community karang chindan. Uh, we'll try to forgive each other and win each other before it's too late. I'm guilty of this as well. Uh, Me, I live by myself, isolated in New York City. I barely speak to people, including family members, but um, I'm very guilty of it, and I hope that God gives me time to speak to everybody, and God gives me time to speak to some of my family members on both my mother's side and my father's side, including my dad, who is very old as well. So, anyways, onawati akwana bo, look me a bo ma Saturnino onyalo choya. Mani wrote a booty, uchira nano chief mi emorok Kenya wajo ningone. Before kena chief aburi twar bina neno an kany, make sure kama uti a jolo any yen ko umi ire kuon. Kuone mumi bora buri ne umi nono umi ire deck. Yala mi deck uyenyi latina nyaka matiri. Latina nyaka matiri ute bore yala kwany kon ko chwiny ginyim anyaka ne ko cham. Ko timo ere kadong otu atwere jolo ne dong chief ki have their little diplomatic courtesy visit. But first, the condition ne mero ne aburi kongo gene. O cham kon gi kom latina nyaka matiri. So abor Kenya before life para go off. Okay. So let me finish reading. Excuse me. I don't really have light in my living room. I just have the TV and a little dim light kanya. I'm gonna try my best to Kwan on air. Okay, in the dark. So Johnny Ngani, La Kwena Man, O Kwanya Kun, kao maho latina nyaka matiri matie monero otere bora buri. Eno kero kun inyim rod aburi ko yabo yish. Ngu latin anyaka ma en owacho kwere bore ne rod kun eno ento dek pere piman miri twin. I don't want to say these words. I feel so off. Miri twin tun latin anyaka man kawang dek. Rod aburi oneno timan gi chwe twin madira tiga. En pe ologo gin mo o a malo chut okwanyo tong mere gi jami ma en owuoro kwere ka ochako dok chien I Obbo. Lok ma tie I chwiny rod aburi otumoko duju ki chawo man. Luak mi imorok matie kany ogamo dori pi kwero kwon pa rod aburi kalo kwena pa rod hadia o hadi kati wajinying rod ne wrong wajira. Rod hadi o hadia o ringo I ot ka wajo bod rod ne. Rod welo peo chamo kwon en bene o a gi kejo madir odok wako chien. Rod hadia ma owinyo lokman o luongo lodiro ka wacho bod gini. Gin miero o wach gi dano duchu mi jogo tiko gogi. En bene omiyo chik matek ni tiko gogi man ka otiko jogo ne miero orubi I tol maparapat adek weko te michulo rod Obbo. Lok owuoro gi dok ot duchu ma weko ot achiel omiyo tiko gari kid mar rod omiro. Okay? Inge man gino oyero dano mokene we gin orub tiko man. Itala dek kid ma rod ochiko. Okay? Mi ariyo luak oyero dano mokene we gin ote tal tiko man mi chulo rod aburi I Obbo. Okay? Gio digo chon dano omako yo Obbo I kar ma gin o idikal pa rod aburi gino chiro bore gi mulu ka gin owajo bore ni rod wan wakelo bori tiko gari gi bod rod mewa michulo in pijami ma rach ma eno timo bori I kare ma in ichiro imorok. Okay? Rod aburi oloko wange I kom luak pa rod hadia. Ni unguru ka wajo bod gini. Anpe atwero gamo tiko man wood wok. Anape atwero gamo tiko man wood wok bod rod mewu Actually, it's not working tonight. I'm struggling. Um, Jo imoroko dok chien kagin owajabod ruoth hadie ni. Ruoth aburio kwero gamo ayol Mary gi ichingwa. Git kwero gamo ayal Mary gi ichingwa. Ruoth hadie o hadi ma oneno ni lok man dong odoko tek. Owajabod dano menu ni. Amiro udok chien bod ruoth aburi. Ka kunu umiero, I'm sorry. Ka okunu miero wunya buri ni. Eno bedo, excuse me. Eno bedo gi chwiny madit mada pigin ma otime bore. Mi ario en peo miro adega nyo mono bedi obed. Excuse me. Actually, I'm struggling tonight. Tonight, Kwan. Nyo mone obed ikinwa ki Obbo piman eno mio tim mewa ma gilungu holok. I'm sorry. Holok matie loka kulu kamaru bojo Obbo. Luak pa ruoth adia dog bod ruoth aburi kagin o wajibore ni. Ruoth waduogo gi dwan pa ruoth mewa ma wacho ni eno bedo gi chwiny madit atika pi lok ma otime bori ikar ma ini chiro kalime. En dong wacho ni kid ma ini kwero ayal mitiro waka en dong mio bori tim halok. Okay. Ruoth aburio gamo tim halok gi puonyo ka owajabod gi ni be anapoa mich pa ruoth hadie wundong utwero dok chien. Luak pa ruoth hadie odok pacho kagin owajabod ruoth megi ni ruoth aburio gamo mich Mary gi yom chwiny. Mara ye kid ma oweko tim halok holok. Let me know if I'm saying that correctly. You guys can leave a comment. Team halok pa jo imorok odoro team abong. Abong mi obon no team halok o mi gi imorok. Okay. Dana mi Obbo pore iario kidman. Obbo la cham o Obbo ma malo gi Obbo la twitch. Nyo Obbo ma piny. Lo diro kaka po dano nyo gangi kidman wek obed yot bo dano matie kalok ikom luak. Mi Obbo ma ngeo kagin logo ikom dano. Mi Obbo la cham nyo gin lok ikom dano mi Obbo la twitch. Obbo la cham gi Obbo la twitch gitie dok udi matino kidman. Obbo la twitch tie gi dok udi matino apa gina ye abong kitaka lo wudo oyere la cham lokomuni lokomini patongo koyo tingili ngabara ire la cham gi pajomo la twitch. Let me know if I'm pronouncing these names correctly. Gangami Obbo mi a twitch. La twitch. Opokomere gi lokide. Mi niang lok ma dok ikom dok uri megi ma be. Atamani be tatwal kawaneno gin dul.
mokwongo wabineno lok ma dok ikom Obbo la twitch ka la chien waneno lok ma dok ikom Obbo la cham. Okay, he's going to divide the discussion on the two different regions of Obbo, la twitch in one chapter and then a cham on in one chapter. I'm struggling with reading tonight. Ade marachadi. Okay. Well, I'll just this paragraph, and then I will finish off tomorrow. I will try my best to read most of Obbo tomorrow, so I can call and speak to some of my family tomorrow, and also speak about Obbo with my family tomorrow. And then I will report back and record another live discussing my findings. I'm going to try to verify some of this information. I'm not 100% sure which part of Obbo my mom's family is from. I hope to find that out tomorrow, and any other stories to confirm Gamo Mativan. Okay? Okay, I'm going to read the last paragraph and I'm going to end at Chirani, and I'm so tired. Tie gang abichel mo rumo gang Obbo. Ma aye pajok palwa katire o imala imorok magwigi okay. Walugumi oblianga ochirokwere wa idokulu atebi. Tim boro mi ma jo pajok ogero iye man tim pa jo koyo nyo Obbo. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi palwa tie ikulu lianga. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi katire tie inge got apo talanga. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi imarok nyo ire. Dano mokena wacho ni tie igot kapal nyo lomolong. Ento dano mokena wacho ni wang lobo mi Obbo gi imarok tie i tul. Ka wang lobo mi Obbo gi magwi tie i dok kulu kimoru. Tim lowudo ma gilungo tim oyoko tie chok gi got okire i magwi. Ento dano mokena wacho ni wang lobo mi Obbo gi magwi tie got pa loyomoy matie e aluoro ayi. No, sorry, is that correct? Or likari. Wang lobo mi Obbo gi panyikwara or winkibul kono tie i dok kulu atebi. Pien tim ongolko ma jo owinjibul ogero iye man tim pajomo. Okay, guys, this is just basically the basic outline of Obbo. Down a mat but to create Obbo. Obbo muna chula kina chul ni bin kamo ko mapat kini ki uri gini mapat gangi mapat nyo dogola pa jomo ko mapat ma no achuli ko gini bene. Gibino gi gore gi mere kini gi bibino achuli. Gina gi no gi make Obbo. Obbo na ti iaria Obbo a twitch Obbo a cham. Yala majority of Obbo or rume gi gangi mo mi achuli mo ko chal gine. Pajok panyikwara ke nga gini. And Obbo bedo kalweng madung with neighboring communities, including Pajok, Gilwan Gidana Wang, except for Palua. Okay. Giber can lose down on population to get deloy down away. They actually will any surrounding ethnic communities. In Kenya, the southern Sudan region, Kenya, get doing law down away. I can give it a kaloi, couldn't get in your territory, give it a kaloi, my doing, get y'all losing down. At some point, get y'all establish relationship, your ball. But get loin, get down, including get Pajok. You lose, Ngamo, you lose Timo, you lose Dano. Yala Rora Buri Birka leading Dano, and a Birka on some diplomatic mission skinny. Me gaining a relationship with certain communities. Jaljo Imorok, Kimo Nano Kireno Chiri Imorok, and a chief, me Imorok, Tima and Maraj, Lomi Kongi Latina Nyane. Kalera mo kono chero gang o mio itiro go timo kene timatin lo ni ngani abong e obani no lo ni team holok. Okay, so kin manera que la church con explain deeper the difference or why there's two sides of a ball, and he wanted about those color gangi. Sorry guys, it's freezing up for some reason. I'm gonna end here. Digido nga kwano ngani Obbo la twitch your ball mapping. He's gonna start with a bong wordpa a bong geke me a ball. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. You have a good night, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Apo Awun for tuning in. We'll leave comments. Kung anything about a ball, eat me a ball, please join my session. Leave a comment under this video. Maybe you could be my guest to discuss a ball. Maybe Diggy will of the day after. Tomorrow's a weekend, so chat here. Go try to discuss get up. I'm gonna try to speak with my family, see what I can find about a ball. As well to validate information more about a Kwan about a ball and others information more about D. Okay. Have a good night. Have a good morning. I pour my tech. I hope to discuss further with you guys tomorrow. Hopefully with a fully charged laptop. Get better. I pour my tech. Man Chaka Leb Acholi, segment me, Kwan Leb Acholi, and Jacqueline Kangakot. This video will be downloaded and also posted on YouTube and our official Facebook channel, Chaka Leb Acholi. Thank you. Bye-bye.